everybody, and welcome back to Inner Angler Fishing. I'm your host, Christopher Goguen, and today, obviously, we're at the beach. We're still on the east coast of Central Florida, and it's family day. So myself, my family, and a bunch of our friends have come down, hang out on the beach, get some sun, enjoy the great outdoors, and obviously, brought some fishing rods. During setup, we've already gotten a couple of small hits, caught a really small whiting. Hopefully, it'll be an exciting day. If not, it's a beautiful day to be outside. So come with us and we're gonna go fishing. So what we're using for bait today is usually looking for whiting or pompano, which is what we're targeting today. I will be using live sand fleas. Nobody has them around here as far as the bait stores. So once we get set up, I'm going to check the surf and see if I can find some. Last time we were here, I was able to find a few. Not many, but enough to fish with. So in the meantime, what we're using is I'm using small bits of fish bites and small shrimp. So we got the shrimp live, and then they've just been expiring, but that's fine. For these types of fish, they don't really care if they're live or not. Sometimes actually a fresh dead shrimp is gonna work a little bit better. So we're gonna get it back out in there. This is the third or fourth time this rod's gone off. Now as I walk back in, I keep tension on the line. It's pretty breezy today. So this way here, I don't have a huge belly in it when I get to the spike. So now it's hooked up, I've already got tension. Plus if you get a hit as it's dropping onto the bottom, you're gonna feel it in your fingers. So we just got a double whammy. One was a little short. This one's 11. It's pretty chunky, so they're going to keep him and throw him in the fry pan. So maybe if I get a couple of more, we'll do a catch and cook. In a cooler. All right, so this is the only rod that's gone off since we've been here, and it's gone off 5-6 times maybe. So what I plan on doing is, because my rods are spread out, is the rod to the left and the rod to the right, I'm gonna recast and cast towards the same spot that I'm catching with this one to triple up our chances. You still wanna keep the rods apart, because that way there you're less apt to tangle, but we can aim kind of in the same general area and see if there's more of them out there. Let's get it back out there. So, not sure what happened. We saw this rod go off. Not a big hit, just a couple of quick hits. When I walked back over, I was down the other end re-rigging. All my gear was gone. So what I'm assuming is we're using pretty large swivels just because we're putting so much tension and so much force when we cast, especially using 5-6 ounces, that Spanish mackerel, bluefish will see that in the water and they'll think it's a bait fish and they'll hit that. We were cut off from the top all the way down, so I don't think it was a shark. I don't think it was something that hit and just broke the line. Something actually hit our hardware and cut us right off. So we're gonna re-rig, get it back out there, see what's out there. That's a little nicer, I think. Like I could tell I had a fish right away. Either lost or he's swimming at me. He's swimming at me. Did I lose him? Yep. Yep. Lost him. I lost him right in the trough. All right, so it's a little later in the day. Most of our friends have gone home. It's gotten really windy, a little bit colder. Probably 60, 65 now. It was in the 70s earlier. We've done really well. Nothing big. We did wind up getting a good size whiting. Some other ones in the 11-inch range that we kept, and then some smaller ones that we threw back. What I've done now is that we're near high tide. The tide has just started going back out again. I've taken some of the rods and pulled them in closer to where that trough is. So you've got a deep channel that runs the beach over here. And a lot of times these fish will push in, sit in that trough because they're eating the little bait fish that are getting rolled in the surf here. So I still have a couple that are as far as I can cast, still using 6 ounces, and I pulled some in tight. Well, we're gonna hang in here for maybe another half an hour or so max. By then we're gonna wind up losing light and we gotta get out of here. But other than that, see if we can get a few more.
Why are you like this? Come on. Focus.
Well, that's a wrap for today. A great day on the beach with family and friends. Not a rock solid day, but again, we got in a lot of fish. There was a lot of activity. Conditions weren't the best. Some pretty windy conditions. You'll probably notice that on the audio. Pretty rough surf, heavy currents. 6 ounces was not holding. Around high tide, it was just sweeping us down the beach. But all in all, a great day. wonderful weather out. It's beautiful, great time with family and friends. But other than that, we're gonna head home from here. Probably gonna be a little too late by the time I get back to do a catch and cook. But what we'll do is we'll probably release another video of us preparing the whiting and making a dish out of it for the family. Other than that, if you like our videos, please hit that like button and please subscribe. We should be releasing a video every week or so. We're gonna try to do every Thursday, but again, we do a lot of traveling up and down the East Coast out to California. So there are gonna be some times where we may not be able to adhere to that schedule, but we're gonna try. Again, please subscribe so you know when our videos are coming out. But other than that, from Inner Angler Fishing, that's all for today. Thank you very much.